and he said that he hasn't climbed in 2 years. And he's overweight, and he doesn't want to go climbing.
So your lawnmower is got holes packed, but when you lift, you know they lift the black thing to put the bag on? If you
Yeah.
miss it. Sometimes coming down it might want to catch. It's hard to
Oh, I
read.
don't care.
Well, no, because it might peel it up. So just be aware of that.
Aware.
This is going in your garbage, so don't reach in your garbage.
Okay, thanks, honey.
Don't press down. I'll put it inside this bag of old coffee bag.
I'm recording these guys doing
He's
this.
just limited now, eh?
He's up there. He's going to cut the top off this one, I guess, or whatever
Well,
they
he's
do.
got a limit, and then apparently Gary said they're going to limb the middle tree all the way up, and then fall it.
I never looked into it. I'm going to do it myself. It's cheaper.
My sister,
Yeah, I know. I'm not that bad, though. I'm not that bad.